guys, what's going on? And welcome back to my channel. And if you're brand new here, I'm Monica Lee. And in today's video, I'm going to be telling you all about how to get started with print on demand using Printify. So I know you're trying to find a different way to make money online and probably a very simple way. So print on demand, I'm letting you know now, is probably one of the easiest ways, and it's a super lit way to get started making money online if you're looking for something that has a very low startup cost. I don't want to say $0, but honestly, you probably can start with zero if you're very creative. And if you guys follow the steps in the video, I'm pretty sure it will get very simple for you to do this without investing much to get into it, okay? So what exactly is print on demand? What is Printify? And what do I even know about it, right? So I actually started with print on demand 3 years ago. So I created a Printify account and I was just making fun graphics and stuff. And then eventually I did actually create my own t-shirt store selling through Etsy. And I literally had over 100 different designs of just random stuff like on t-shirts. And that's pretty much how most people get into print on demand. But right now, print on demand has actually like changed and evolved and gotten even more better. Is that how you say it? More better? Has gotten even better. And basically there's a lot of other options for you other than just like t-shirts. But print on demand, let me just break it down for you in case you don't know. What it basically means is that you create the design and then you send it out to a company to go ahead and create the item for you and ship it to your customer on your behalf. They don't put their information on the shipping. They put your business and your information so that the customer doesn't know that they are the middleman doing everything for you. Now, on your print on demand account, whatever you use, I recommend Printify. You always want to put like a business address or any address that you want. Sometimes they do also have an option to put a shipping address that belongs to them so that way if the customer needs to return anything or anything like that, it can go right back to that address. But that's pretty much how print on demand works and what exactly it is. So I like Printify because you can actually get started for free. I told you guys, a little to no cost to do this, right? So you can get started for free. So I will put the link in my description box for you guys to get started with Printify and sign up ASAP. Don't even think hard about it. Just make your account today, right now. People who are action takers, those are the money makers. I came up with 5 simple steps. All right, well, I didn't come up with them. These are steps that anybody would do, but like I like to always break my steps down into very simplified. The most I like to do is 7 steps. So if something is over 7 steps, I don't consider that business easy, all right? But with print on demand, literally just 5 steps that you need to get started. So number 1, create your free Printify account like I told you guys before. Click that link down below and create your account so that now you are ready to go. The second thing is that you want to think about the store that you're going to be using to sell these products. You could start with a marketplace like Etsy. So a marketplace is basically where everybody sells things and customers come onto this website and they find your storefront on the marketplace. Now, why there is a benefit to selling on marketplaces is that they already get their own traffic and they already have their own reputation. So people know Etsy, they like Etsy, they shop on there all the time. Also, you benefit from having things that are similar to other stores. So a lot of times on Etsy, your items may pop up when someone's viewing something else, and this is how you can end up getting sales. But that's also the bad thing too, because if you're on the other end and you are having a product that's out there and other competition is right next to you, you may lose out on sales. So that's why sometimes marketplaces like Etsy are not always the best. But if you're a beginner and you don't have a lot of money to get started and you just don't know how to design a storefront or anything like that, then I would recommend Etsy. The next 2 places that I also recommend will be TikTok Shop. So literally Printify just introduced TikTok Shop not too long ago, and TikTok Shop is probably one of the most popular platforms out right now in 2024 and going into 2025. Everyone's on TikTok Shop. I've literally bought so much stuff off of TikTok Shop already. At first, I was a little scared, I'm not gonna lie, but TikTok Shop to me is just like Amazon now, right? And when you go on TikTok, there are always lives of people selling things, right? And also when people make video content, they can literally link an item. So this is why TikTok Shop is gonna be amazing for you to sell your print on demand from Printify, because not only can you promote it very easily through your profile on TikTok, but also, you guys, other other people can promote your product. All they have to do is buy it and then just link it to your shop. And that's how you will start making money. So this video is not gonna go too much into depth about TikTok Shop and Printify, but if you guys really wanna know how that works and you want a tutorial and all that good stuff, I could definitely create that for you. So please let me know in the comments. Let me know and I will create another video for that. Now the third place is going to be the Printify pop-up shop. So the Printify pop-up shop is basically the place that is connected already to Printify. So when you make your account on Printify, you literally scroll down to where it says pop-up shop and you will be able to make your own store through there. Now the only thing is you don't have like a .com or something like that. You're gonna have something that is like, I forgot how it is, but it's like .printify or whatever. So you have to make sure you copy and paste that link and share it with people because it's kind of hard to tell people the website because it's really long, being that it has the Printify pop-up shop link in there. But it's a benefit because you don't have to spend any money to get started and everything's already done for you in your Printify account. Now, of course, some other ways that you could sell is creating your own website using Squarespace, using Wix.com or Shopify. Those are the heavy hitters that are really popular for selling e-commerce stuff, and they all sync with Printify. So that means that all you gotta do is press a button and now everything from your Printify automatically goes onto your Shopify store, automatically goes onto your Wix store and any other storefront that you're using right now. I don't remember all of them, but when you guys sign up for your free account, you'll see literally the whole entire list. But I pretty much ran down the ones that I'm familiar with that I've tried that work really good. Whew. Step number 2 was really long. Sorry about that, y'all. But let's get into step number 3. So you want to create your designs. Do not overthink this. A lot of people tell me they want to do print on demand, but they don't know what to design. You don't have to make this really hard. It's not rocket science, okay? Designs can be as simple as a word on a t-shirt. So look at this shirt. This is Nike, of course. This is a logo, but all it is a white tee with a swoosh. So like that's all you have to do. You can create white tees or very plain stuff with very simple logos. So you got to remember this. People like to buy print t-shirts for all different types of reasons. So there's not like a one type of shirt that is the most profitable that will make the most money. So literally look at designs of other stuff. So like shirts that I love is stuff that says hustle, boss, things like that. And those are actually not copyright words or anything like that. So you can literally use that even if someone else has a design that says that. Okay, so that's a little gem right there. But definitely get to creating your design. Use canva.com. You can create a free account on there. And in the tutorial, I'll show you guys a little bit more on how to do that. But you can create an account and start designing. And another option is to also use Kittl. Kittl will be really cool because it has AI to help you make designs. So again, in the description box, I'll drop all the links for that so that y'all can get started with that. So now let's move on to step number 4. So step number 4 is that you're going to upload your design now to the product that you choose through Printify. So whether it's a phone case, a hat, a rug, a sweatshirt, they got a lot of stuff on there, y'all. So much stuff. It is insane. So this is a mug I created on Printify. This is just for me, just like, you know, a little coffee mug that I drink from. But look at this. I made this on Canva and Printify. So it says coffee in one hand, confidence in the other. All right. So yeah, I made that on Canva. It's legit. This is a real mug. You know what I'm saying? It's real good quality. And there's no like labels that say Printify anywhere like that. You know what I mean? So it's all yours. This is your baby right here. But the reason why I wanted to show you guys that is because any design that you create can go on anything. So if you want to make something that goes on a t-shirt, a cup, a mug, a phone case, a tumbler, a mat, like a bath mat, anything that you create, the design can go on anything that you want. So you want to take this time to figure out what is it going to go on. If it goes on multiple things, then you just keep creating that same design on multiple products on Printify. Now you're going to upload it to your store. So it's literally just a press of a button. Now step number 5, y'all, is the most important part. Well, designing is kind of important too, but this part is how you actually make the money, and that is promoting. Okay, you have to promote. If you don't market, you don't make no sales. So I always tell people, make sure that you market. Like I was saying earlier, TikTok is one of the best platforms. You can also use Instagram, YouTube, any social media platform will work. I even recommend Pinterest too. I feel like Pinterest will be really good for marketing, but you want to make sure that you are putting your brand out there. Whether you get the items yourself and wear and rock it, or you have other people take pictures of it, it's really important. So I always say when you create these products in Printify, start ordering some of the products yourself so that you will have samples of how the stuff looks so that you can actually market it without just having like mock-ups to market. You could even do photo shoots and ads and things like that so that you can drive way more traffic to the link for your storefront. But yeah, really the key to making the money is going to be to constantly talk about it. You have to be consistent. You have to keep posting. Don't feel like, oh, I said that yesterday, so I'm not going to say it today. Like, post as often as possible. If you could do every day, do every day, because the more you show up, the more opportunities and chances you are giving yourself to make sales. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, all right? Because I will definitely love to talk to you guys about this. How do you get started? How do you make more money with it? If you have any questions, please let me know, all right? I will definitely enjoy answering them in the comment section. And if it is a question that I can make a separate tutorial video or a separate video answering, I will definitely do that for you. So make sure that you guys tap that description box, okay? Because in there, I actually have the link so that you can sign up for Printify for free. And you guys also can get access to my Printify course, which will be on sale. So all you have to do is tap the description box to learn more if you're ready to go to the next level and really get started with Print on Demand and Printify. Print on Demand and Printify is a game changer, okay? It's going to make so much people a really big bag, all right? So I'm excited for y'all. If you get started, please let me know. I would love to support some of your stores and purchase from you. And if you have any questions, like I said before, make sure that you ask. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.